Hello students, welcome to RH Chemistry. In today's video, I am going to explain about All India Counselling that is done by MCC. Already I have explained how to register, what all the fees, what all the conditions, round 1, round 2, who all can participate, all these things I have explained in the previous some videos. If you have not seen those videos, please go through those videos also. That the link will be given in the description box or in the above I button. So in the today's video I am going to explain about choice filling, which means to make a choice filling preference order, you have to know what all the colleges present in under MCC, which means what all the participating institutions for MCC counseling. That I will show you how to see. Addition to that, how to see the fees of those colleges also I am going to tell you. Addition to that, last year cutoff for different round 1, round 2 for deemed university, all India quota medical, this government medical colleges, all these things, from where to download and where to see, how to analyze, these things I am going to explain in this particular video. So today, the complete day you have a time. If you are seriously participating in the All India Counselling, you make a list of colleges. You have to do some homework, remember, before going to fill the choices, right? Which means you will come to know, addition according to your rankings, you will come to know. So what all the colleges you can prefer, right? So very important video. So now first what you have to do is, in this particular case, first you have to type MCC in Google, so that you will see the first website mcc.nic.in. so just click on that. After clicking on this, remember, you will see UG Medical Counselling, so click on that UG Medical Counselling. After this, remember, you can see new registration tab here, and this tab will be activate only tomorrow, because from tomorrow MCC counselling is taking place. Hence tomorrow if you click on this, you can see some login details. So you have to log in by using the same login and password which we have used for NTA website, remember, while this NEET admit card downloading, all these things, whatever you have used, the same thing you have to use it here also. After that, you have to pay the registration fees. So already I have told the registration fees also, right? So for GM candidates, remember, for GM candidates, for All India quota government colleges, you have to pay 10,000 refundable security amount plus 1,000 you have to pay for non-refundable registration fee. If you for other caste, SC, ST like that, then you have to pay. Remember, in All India quota there is only 3 caste: GM, General Merit, SC, ST. There is no OBC. OBC comes under GM only. So remember that. And addition to that, GM physical handicapped or SC physical handicapped, like this it is there. SC, ST, remember, you have to pay 5,000 plus, instead of 1,000 you have to pay 500, in exactly half of the GM candidates fee. This is for All India quota. And for, remember, deemed universities, this also I have told, once again I will tell you, for deemed university you have to pay 2 lakh rupees as, remember, non-refundable security amount, and 5,000 rupees as 5,000 rupees as non-refundable security amount, and 2 lakh rupees as refundable security amount, right? 5,000 as a registration fee and 2 lakh rupees, and 2 lakh rupees will be given back only if you free exit from the first round, or if you don't get any seat. If you get the seat, if it is the seat allotted, and if you don't join, then the 2 lakh rupees will be forfeited. That we know, right? Now what you have to do, what all the participating institutions are there. Here you can see counseling scheme is there. If you click on this, you will get the PDF of the complete counseling procedure done by MCC. Counseling schedule, if you click, you are going to get what all the schedules are present for tomorrow's. From tomorrow, what is the dates for first round, second round, third round, like that. Then participating institutions. So now what you have to do, participating institutions, you have to click. When you click on participating institutions, you will see this particular column like this, for MBBS separately and BDS separately, and depending on your interest you can see that. For each and every college there is a college name, there is a view button. If you click on, you will get the complete information about the college and the bond details. In some colleges there will be bond means after completion of the this 5-year MBBS you have to go for, remember, 1 year rural service. Like that it will be there, the conditions, the 200 rupees stamp paper, you have to make a bond and give it to them. Fine. Now show bond, it is there, you can see that. Now this is for MBBS. Similarly for BDS, if you click, you are going to see this particular BDS colleges list, view button and show bond. And remember, only whatever the institutions are there till today in this particular MCC website, only those are participating in the MCC counseling. Other than this, because some students have asked me, sir, so and so college is telling that from this year they are becoming deemed university, but if that college name is not there in this list, then just you have to understand that that college is not participating this year in the counseling. So remember that. So now how to see this? See, MBBS I will see first. In MBBS, see, these are all the colleges. Remember, last year AIMS was not there, JIPMER was not there. Remember, but this year there are 16 AIMS which is participating. Here you can see these are the AIMS colleges participating, and addition to this there are 2 JIPMER which is participating under this MCC counseling. So it is updated one only because AIMS and JIPMER was not there in the last year MCC counseling under, but this year it is there, means definitely it is new one. Now for example, I will say AIMS Gorakhpur, it is there, right? 513 number you can see, AIMS Gorakhpur. Now you will see there is no bond available, bond is not there, and I will click on this view button. We will see what is the information you are going to see. Click on the view button, you are going to see this is the information. Here you can see everything, name of the college, address of the college, name of the affiliated university, everything, and annual AIQ candidates fee you can see 0, which means if you get the seat in this, only you have to pay the amount at the time of admission, 5,356. That is the only amount you have to pay. Remaining everything it is showing as a 0, which means definitely there is no fees, it may be, right? So not only here, I will show you in case of AIMS New Delhi, you can see AIMS New Delhi. See, in this particular case, annual fee for All India candidate, it is a very minimal, that is 1,628 rupees. Amount to be paid at the admission also 1,628 rupees, right? Like this. So monthly hostel dues 4,228 rupees is there, monthly hostel fees. Like this, you will get the information for each and every college, what you want. See, in this particular case, ESI College Gulbarga, right? If you click on that, you will come to know the college fees and everything. Here you can see annual fees for the AIQ candidate is 24,000 fee is there, right? ESI College Gulbarga, 24,000 fee is there. Amount to be paid at the admission is 29,000, right? So like this, each and every college, monthly hostel fees you can see 150 rupees. So like this you will see each and every college. So deemed universities also you can observe. Deemed, for example, NAPA Medical College Mangalore, deemed university. So you will get the in the last video I have made the list of deemed universities in Karnataka along with the fees. I have taken that information from this website only, 17,50,000 rupees. Like this you will see what you have to do is you have to have a pen and paper and open this website and make a list which all the colleges you can go. Just imagine what happens is you are in Karnataka. You don't want to go to the colleges which is present in West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, everything. Which means you don't want to take those colleges in your choice list. So only which state you can go. If you get the seat in Andhra Pradesh, can you go? That you have to think. If you get seat in Maharashtra, can you go? That you have to think. Depending on that, you have to make a list of colleges before making a choice filling, because once you make a choice filling and lock that process, you cannot change once again. So you have to prepare these lists in your house itself. Remember that. For that, every information is there here. This is about participating institutions in MBBS and BDS. Now I will tell you how to see or from where to download last year seat matrix. Last year seat matrix, or also you can say last year this cutoff for the last year. See, what you have to do is, once again you come to this main page. After coming to main page, you click on more or archives, right? This particular button. You click on this button, you will come to know this is the one particular page it is going to open. In that you click on RQ download. So if you click on that, you can see these are the result of 2019, and also you will get the result of 2018. But 2019, if you see, that is enough. So for example, I will show you final result of round 1 UG 2019, 2nd July 2019, it is there, right? So final result of round 1, just you click on that final result of round 1. So in this particular case, you click on the download button, right? So just now it is downloading final result of round 1 UG 2019, right? So after downloading, when you open that particular, see here, I will show you that also. See, already it is opened. See, like this you will see one particular page. So this is the page you are going to see. Yes. Now you can say undergraduate seat allotment 2019 round 1. What you have to see rank 1 Maulana Azad Medical College, New Delhi, it is allotted, right? This was the best ranked medical college in Karnataka, in India. But this year it may be replaced by AIIMS, because first preference will be given by the students of above ranks 1 to 100 or 200 ranks for the AIIMS. One thing I will tell you, my dear students, this year almost 1200 seats are there from the AIIMS. The number may not be 100% accurate, but around 1200 AIIMS, plus remember 249 seats from JIPMER. So 249 seats from JIPMER, this is going to add here, which means just whatever the rank it is given here, you can add around 1400 seats, 1400 number to that particular ranking. So how? I will show you. For example, these are all the medical college which is allotted, right? So we will go like this. Here you can see, in this particular case you can see, I will show you one thing. This is the rank list, all India rank list, right? So 79,655 ranking is there. This one guy, Yenepoya Medical College is allotted, MBBS which is allotted, right? First round allotted. Now this year what you can do, if you add plus for this plus 1400, which means around 80,500, or you can say 81,000. If you rank this year 81,000 also, you can get the seat in Yenepoya Medical College. Like this you can make a one particular list. For example, another example I will show you. See, in case of All India quota, I am talking about All India quota, remember. So here All India quota seats, if you see, right? So this seat, the list is very bigger one. You can go through all those things. Now, so Siddharth Academy, Begur, right? Siddharth Academy, Begur, Government Medical College, Palakkad, right? Karnataka, any one medical college I am searching for. Karnataka, any government medical college we will see, right? So if you see that all these are deemed universities, everything it is there, right? So Gorakhpur, Kasturba Medical College, Maulana Azad Medical College, right? Now you can see any Tamil Nadu government DC hospital and Chennai, it is there, right? Just imagine 14,100 last year they have got the seat for BDS. So for BDS. Now this year what you have to do is, for this you can add around 1,400 seats because AIIMS and JIPMER is added. Definitely those seats will be taken by the higher ranked students. Which means this year, if it is 15,600 also you can get this particular college. Like this you can analyze. You can make a list, priority list of these colleges. Remember, in this you will get everything of group, the round 1 results. This is round 1. Next what you can do, if you go to this, next what you can do, final result of round 2, it is there. If you want to see this final result of round 2, click on this, you will see the same PDF and you can go through those PDF and you can see. So similarly, eligibility, the final allotment result for mop-up round, it is there. So in mop-up round you will see, mop-up round is there for only, remember, only for these, the deemed universities, AIIMS, everything, all these things. All India quota mop-up round will not be there here. Remember that. Now, after seeing this, round 1, round 2 result, you will get some idea for your rankings where you can get the seat. After this, if you go back, if you click on the seat matrix here, if you click on the seat matrix, so now here you can see seat matrix, RQ seat matrix is there, click on that. So now you can see vacant seats or a seat matrix for all these rounds. Here also you will get some idea how many seats are present for 2019. This year it may not be changed a lot. So for example, I will show you one. Seat matrix for ESI, BDS, MBBS you will see. MBBS you will see. Seat matrix for AMU it is there. See seat matrix for deemed MBBS round 1. So seat matrix for All India quota round 1. See seat matrix, final seat matrix for All India quota round 1. You click on this, so that you will come to know. Download this particular PDF and it will be open just now. Now you can see this is the PDF is going to open. Now you can see in this particular case all institution and branch wise vacancies for round 1, right? Round 1. Here it is only for All India quota government medical colleges. Government medical colleges. Here you can see some medical colleges and its number of seats. For example, here you can see JIMS Gadag, or you can say BMC Bangalore. You will see BMC Bangalore, right? BMC Bangalore. So All India quota general seats are 27, general PH seats are 2, SC seats are 5, SC PH seats are 1, ST seats are 3. These are the only number of seats which is allotted for All India quota, 15%, remember. Like this, if you want to see any of the college also, you can go for BIMS Bidar, right? See here, general merit 10 seats are there, 1 plus 3 plus 1, these are the seats are there, right? These are the seats for Bidar. Boring Lady Cousin Medical College Bangalore, you can see 17 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 7, 2. These are the colleges. These are the number of seats. Like this, we will see institution and branch wise vacancies in All India quota. Like this, if you want to go for, remember, deemed universities, if you want to get the information for deemed universities also, you can go for that. See everything it is there, deemed university, BDS, MBBS, final seat matrix for deemed university, MBBS 1, final seat matrix for All India quota, MBBS round 2. So today you have a time, right? So make a list of all these colleges and be prepared in your house itself. That is called as homework. You do that, definitely it is, you are eligible, or you can easily prepare a list of colleges which comes under your ranking. So thank you for watching. I hope it helped you. Share it to the maximum people, those who want this information. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.